Welcome to Project Bass. Ever wanted to play around with those crazy powerful language models in your home lab for free, but thought it was too much hassle? Yeah, I get it. So in this video, we're making it easy. I've got a simple script that automates the whole process. Docker, Ollama, OpenWebUI, the works. Think of it as your Deepseek easy button. We'll walk through it step by step, showing you just how painless it is to get these models running locally. No more wrestling with configurations or spending hours setting things up. Whether you're working with the lean 1.5b model or going big with a 671b beast, this script has you covered. We'll talk system requirements, disk space, all the important stuff, and even what to do after you've got it running. Imagine having all that Deepseek power right here. No cloud needed, just it's pure local performance. Pretty sweet, right? Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions regarding this. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Project Bass for more tech tutorials, and grab the script in the description below. Let me know what you create.